From the last week classes, we are discussing about Pythagoras theorem. In today's class, we will conclude that Pythagoras theorem and problem. Now, next question is, two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, 6 meter pole and 11 meter pole, they are at a distance of 12 meter. What is the distance between their tips? See, these are the tips. Am I right? Suppose AB is a pole, CD is another pole. I have to find out what is the distance between AD. What is AD? So, if this is 6 meter, this is 11 meter, let me do one small construction. I draw a line perpendicular and call it as P. Then BC is equal to AP. How much? 12 meter. This is 6 meters, so this is also 6 meters. So this is 5 meter. Right? So I have to find out AD square. Is it possible to find out AD square? Yes. AD square is equal to AP square plus ED square. Why? In right angle triangle, APD. Right? AD square. So AD square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. AD square is equal to 144 plus 25. So AD square is equal to 169. Therefore AD is equal to square root of 169 is equal to 13. So as soon as you look at this drawing only, you can find out 5, 12, immediately 13. It is a Pythagorean triplet. Let us move on to the next one. Next problem is, D and E are the points on the sides AC and BC of triangle ABC, right angled at C. So it is right angled at C. So D is the point on AC. D is the point on AC and E is the point on BC. E is the point on BC. So E is the point on BC. D is the point on AC. Of triangle ABC, prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus D square. Whenever such problem comes, you join on this. See, BD square have to join. Right? AE square have to join. Now I have three right angle triangles. One is ABC, one is EA, EAC, another one BDC. So let us see. First one, in right angle triangle ABC. What is right angle triangle ABC? AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Next one, right angle triangle AEC. AEC, AE square is equal to EC square plus AC square. Next one, in right angle triangle BCD, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Right? Now, I want AE square plus BD square. Let me add this one. AE square plus BD square is equal to EC square plus AC square plus BC square plus CD square. What is EC square? What is AC square plus BC square? AC square plus BC square is AB square. So write down AC square plus BC square, I will write down together, plus EC square plus CD square, I will write down together. What is AC square plus BC square? AB square plus what is EC square plus CD square? What is EC square plus CD square? Is equal to ED square. EC square plus CD square is equal to ED square. So ED square. So this is the answer. BD square plus AD square is equal to AB square plus ED square. EC square plus CD square is ED square. You understood? Let us move on to the next one. Our next problem is the perpendicular from A on the side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D. This figure they have given such that BD is equal to 3CD. This is 3 times CD. So this is C. Prove that 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square plus BC square. Now, by their given, we have got 2 right angle triangles. What are those? ADC and ADB. Let us write down. In right angle triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. And in right angle triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now I want AB square. So let me continue with AB square. AB square is equal to, what is AD square? From here I can find out what is AD square. AC square minus CD square. AC square minus CD square plus BD square. Right? So AB square is equal to, every time you look at the A, AC square minus, what is CD? This is one part, this is 3 parts, totally 4 parts. I can say 1/4 of BC the whole square plus BD as 3/4 of BC the whole square. Correct? Is equal to AC square minus 1/16 BC square plus 9/16 BC square is equal to AC square, 16 is the common denominator, 9 BC square minus BC square, 1 BC square. So what do you get? You get AC square, AB square is equal to AC square plus 9 minus 1, 8 BC square by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So you got AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square by 2. Let us take the common denominator. What is the common denominator? 2. So 2AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Now we do the cross multiplication. Did we get the conclusion? 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. That's what they wanted and we proved. 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Did you understand? So this is the easiest method we can do. Let us move on to the next question. Our next problem is, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. Let me draw the figure. In an equilateral triangle ABC, ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Now AD square is equal to 7AB square. It is an equilateral triangle. What can I do? So when I draw the perpendicular, You know, the perpendicular drawn in an equilateral triangle divides the base into 2 equal parts. Right? So I can say BP is equal to PC is equal to half of BC. Right? What is DP is equal to? DP is equal to BP minus BD. Right? What is BP? Can you tell me what is BP? Half of BC minus what is BD? 1/3 of BC. right, is equal to, take the common denominator, 2 and 3 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 BC minus 3 2s are 2 BC. So I can say 1 by 6 BC, right? With that I will start. Now what is given here? AD square is there, AB square is there. So we got two right angle triangle. What is that two right angle triangle? In right angle triangle ABP, AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. Another one, in right angle triangle ADP, AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. Now, I can continue here. AD square is equal to, what is AP square? AB square minus BP square plus DP square is equal to AB square minus, what is BP square? BP I wrote as half of BC the whole square plus, what is DP? Just now I found out, 1 by 6 of BC the whole square. So is equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 6 is 1 by 36 BC square. So you got AD square is equal to AB square minus, so AD square is equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 AB square plus 1 by 36 AB square. Can I write down like this? Because it is a right angle triangle, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So I wrote all AB square. So what do I get? I get AD square is equal to AB square. Let me take the common denominator. What is the common denominator? 36. Right? So 36 AB square minus 9 AB square plus AB square. So AD square is equal to 36 minus 9, 27 plus 1, 28 AB square divided by 36. 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 36. Cross multiplication. What do you get? 9 AD square is equal to 7 AD square. Finished. This is the answer. Let us move on to the next question. Our last question is like this. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So let me draw an equilateral triangle ABC and let me draw one altitude. A, B, C and D is the altitude. AD is the altitude. So this is 90 degree. Am I right? So what can I write down? In right angle triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now what is my aim? To relate AB square and AD square. So I write down AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. So AB square minus, what is BD square? Half of BC the whole square is equal to AD square. So can I write down AB square minus 1/4 of BC square is equal to AD square. I write down AB square minus 1/4 of AB square, because BC square is equal to AB square is equal to AC. AC square is equal to AD square. So take the common denominator 4AB square minus AB square is equal to AD square. So 4AB square minus AB square is 3AB square divided by 4 is equal to AD square. Cross multiplication. 4AD square is equal to 3AD square. Let me see what I wanted to prove. 3 times the square of one of the sides is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Did you all understand? I think I have almost everything I've worked out in Pythagoras theorem. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe. Thank you very much.